Welcome everyone. We are discussing compound angle. In the previous class, I have defined what is compound angle and 5 pairs of formulae: sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, cot A plus B, and negative of that, and sin A plus B into sin A minus B, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. And we have solved some simple problems, basic problems. Now, today I will discuss also some basic but important problems. So look, if A plus B plus C equals to pi, then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to tan A tan B tan C. Cot A cot B cot C plus cot C cot A equals to 1. These are also called conditional identity. One condition is given. So for this type of problem, it will be simple if we start with given relation. We do not consider LHS or RHS. We start with given relation. So what is your given relation? Look, A plus B plus C equals to pi. Now what is A plus B? Pi minus. Now, if we want to prove first problem 1a, then you have to take tan on both sides because it is in terms of tan. If you want to prove cot, then you have to take cot on both sides. So we start 1b. We will solve. So take cot on both sides. Cot A plus B equals to cot pi minus C. Now formula of cot A plus B. Cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. And cot pi minus C, this is cot C. Cot C. So do cross multiplication. So cot A cot B minus 1. So minus cot C into cot B minus cot C into cot A. Now you look the proof of the result. So you write the result in terms of given proof. So look, here all cots are in left hand side. So cot A cot B left hand side. Transfer this one, cot B cot C. Transfer this one to left hand side, cot C cot A. 1 to this. So proved. So these are also called conditional identity. And these results are helpful for solving problems of computation. So if it is pi, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to tan A tan B tan C. Now second one. Look, A plus B plus C equals to pi by 2, not pi by 2. Then prove that tan A tan B tan C tan A equals to 1, and cot A plus cot B plus cot C equals to cot A cot B cot C. So write the given condition. A plus B plus C equals to pi by 2. So A plus B equals to pi by 2 minus C. Then if we want to prove result involving tan, then you have to take tan on both sides. So taking tan on both sides, tan pi by 2 minus So this implies tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is cot of C. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Since all the terms in terms of tan, so you write it in terms of 1 by tan C. Then cross multiplication. Tan A multiplied by tan C, tan A tan C, tan B tan C equals to 1 minus tan A C. Tan A tan C, tan B tan C. So this will be 1 minus tan A tan B. Sorry, this is 1 minus tan A tan B. So now write the result according to proof. So all the terms to left hand side. So tan A, tan B, this one to left hand side. Tan B, tan C, tan C, tan A equals to 1. So these are called conditional identity. Now we consider same type of problem 3a. A plus b equals to pi by 4. Prove that 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B equals to cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1 equals to 2. So same type of problem. Relation is given. You get tan on both sides for this problem and take cot on both sides. So to solve this one is very simple. Now problem number 4. Prove that tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan A equals to tan 3a, tan 2a, tan A. Tan 5 theta minus tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta. Tan 5 theta, tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta. Look, for these problems, so relation is not given. A plus B plus C equals to pi or any relation is not given. But look, from the angle, you can form a relation between the angle or among the angle. So look, angles are 3a, 2a, a. So no relation is given, but you can form a relation from the given angle. So what is 3a? 3a equals to 2a plus a. Look, for the problem number B, 5 theta equals to 3 theta plus 2 theta. So 3a equals to this. Take tan on both sides. Tan 3a equals to tan 2a plus a. So tan 3a equals to tan 2a plus tan a. 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. Then exactly same, do cross multiplication and write the answer according to the result. So tan 2a plus tan a equals to tan 3a minus tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a. So now look at the result. Tan 3a is positive. So tan 3a, this one is unchanged. Transfer this tan 2a to right hand side. This to right hand side and this to left hand side. Tan 3a, tan 2a into tan a. So relation is not given, but you can find a relation among the angles. So second one exactly same. Next problem number 5. This is important problem, overall questions. Now 50, 70, 20. So you can find a relation. 50 plus 20 equals to 70. So 70, 50, 20. You are getting a relation. Then exactly same. So take tan on both sides. Tan 70. Tan 50 plus 20. So tan 50, tan 20 plus 1 minus tan 50, tan 20. Then cross multiplication. Tan 70 minus tan 70, tan 50 into tan 20 equals to tan 50 plus tan 20. Very simple. So using formula of tan A plus B. Now look. So tan 70 and tan 20, they are complementary angles. Sum of them is 90. So you know. So tan 70 unchanged. This is tan 50 and tan 20 equals to tan 90 minus 70. So tan 50 plus tan 20 unchanged. Look at the step. So 20 can be written as 90 minus 70. So finally what you are getting, you look tan 20, tan 70, tan 50. This is cot 70. Tan 90 minus theta, so cot 70. Tan 50 into tan 20. So cot 70, tan 70 cancel out. So finally what you are getting. So write the result. So tan 70 unchanged. Transfer to right hand side. 2 tan 50. Tan 50 plus tan 50. 2 tan 50. So relation is not given, but you can find a relation among the angles. Next, now we consider two more problems of same type. So one is in terms of tan, another is in terms of cot. So look, here angles are B minus C. So suppose this is B minus C, C minus A minus B. So no relation among the angles are given. But you can find a relation. You look, if you add the angles, you get 0. Suppose this is X, this is Y, and this one is Z. So what is X plus Y plus Z? X plus Y plus Z is 0. So our main aim is sum of angles, multiple of at least pi by 2. Pi by 2, pi, 0. So here we are getting X plus Y plus Z equals to 0. Suppose we want to prove result number B. So what is X plus Y? Minus Z. Take cot on both sides. So cot A plus B. Cot X cot Y minus 1 by cot Y plus cot X equals to minus cot Z. Cot of minus Z is cot Z. So do cross multiplication. Cot X cot Y minus 1 cot Z cot Y minus cot Z cot X. So cot X cot Y plus cot Y cot Z, this one, plus cot Z cot X equals to 1. So we are getting this relation. Now put value of X, Y, Z, you get relation. So put value of X, Y and Z, you get result to this formula. So these are trigonometric identity also. Now we consider two more problems. Cot theta, cot 2 theta, cot 2 theta, cot 2 theta, cot 3 theta, plus 2 cot theta into cot theta minus cot 3 theta. So this one. So look, here the relation is in terms of cot. You can find a relation, look, by previous way, 2 theta equals to 2 theta plus theta. But here, this term cot theta into cot theta, so cot square theta. So cot square theta in the previous problem, we have solved product of 2 cots. So product of 3 cots, but this is cot square theta plus 2. So not in this form. So we use a result, try to recall. So what is here, cots are given in terms of product. What is cot A minus B? So cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B minus 1. Cot A cot B plus 1. Cot A cot B plus 1 equals cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So what is cot A cot B plus 1? Cot A cot B plus 1 equals to cot A minus B into cot B minus cot A. So cot A minus B, so this is sin A, sin B LCM. So sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, omitting one step. So cot A minus B, this is sin A minus B formula, and sin A, sin B. So finally we are getting cos A minus B by sin A sin B by sin A sin B. So we are getting a result. Cot A cot B plus 1 equals to cos A minus B by sin A sin B. So we use this result. So look, for first one, this is cot theta into cot 2 theta. So putting A equals to theta, B equals to 2 theta. So what is cot theta into cot 2 theta plus 1 equals to cos 2 theta minus theta by sin 2 theta into sin theta. So cos theta by sin 2 theta into sin theta. So we are getting cot theta into cot 2 theta plus. Now put A equals to 3 theta, B equals to 2 theta. So cot 3 theta plus into cot 2 theta plus 1 equals to cos 3 theta minus 2 theta by sin 3 theta sin 2 theta. So cos theta by sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. Now look, we are getting these two. So if you add this 1 and 2, we are getting left hand side. 1 plus 1, 2. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 implies. So cot theta, cot 2 theta. Cot 3 theta, cot 2 theta. Plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So cos theta, this is common. 1 by sin 2 theta into sin theta plus 1 by sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. So this is our result up to this. Now look at the proof. This is cot theta. So we are getting cos. So this one is unchanged. So to make it cos by sin, then sin theta by sin 2 theta into sin theta. Sin theta by sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. So this one. So look, meaning remaining same. Now here one step to be noted. This is cot theta. So these are also in terms of cot. Now there is an important observation. So this is sin theta, this is sin 2 theta, this is 2 theta and theta. You have to express angle of numerator in terms of angle of denominator. So this is sin 2 theta minus theta, sin 2 theta, sin theta. Similarly, this is sin 3 theta, sin 2 theta. So this is sin 3 theta minus 2 theta. So cot theta unchanged. So sin 2 theta, cos theta, cos 2 theta, sin theta, by sin 2 theta, sin theta, sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta, sin 2 theta, by sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. So this one, now this is last step. You look, cot theta by, this to be noted, this by this, so sin 2 theta is cancelled out. So cos by sin, this is cot theta. And this by this, so sin theta is cancelled. This is cot 2 theta. Now this one, sin 3 theta is cancelled. Cos by sin, cot 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta is cancelled. This is cot 3 theta. So what you are getting? Cot theta into cot theta minus cot 3 theta. So you are getting result. So this is special type problem. So you can also solve this problem by alternative way also. You look, listen again. So look, you can also solve problem by alternative ways. So this is cos theta, cos 2 theta, and this is cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta. So 2 theta equals to 3 theta equals to 2 theta plus theta. So take cot on both sides. So x1 and find the product. Cos 2 theta, cot 2 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta. Then you can also solve it. Now second one is very simple, very simple problem. So look, prove that this equals to tan 3 theta into tan theta. So this is left hand side. Now a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now this is a square minus b square. So 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta. This is 1 plus tan 2 theta into tan theta. So a square minus b square. Now look, this is well-known formula and this is also well-known formula. This is tan 2 theta plus theta and this is tan. This one is obviously theta, tan 2 theta minus theta. So tan 3 theta into tan theta equals to RHS. This is RHS. So this is very simple one. You remember this one, 7. This is typical one.